In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create author profile in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional author profile ready to show alongside your blog posts, with a photo, a short bio, and a link to an external website. This is perfect if you publish articles from yourself or guests and want a consistent, polished byline on your site. Start on your site's dashboard. Down in the bottom left corner, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings area, and it's where Squarespace keeps key site controls. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Permissions and Ownership. This is where you manage who can appear as an author and how their information is stored. Click Permissions and Ownership to open it. You'll see options related to contributors, roles, and authors. Next, find the option that says Add Basic Author and click it. A basic author is ideal when you simply need a profile for attribution without inviting someone to log in or manage content themselves. It keeps things simple and avoids cluttering your site with unnecessary contributor accounts. A panel will open where you can upload the author image and enter their name, bio, and website. For the image, choose a clear, well-lit headshot. A square image works best and helps maintain a consistent look across your site. Keep the file size reasonable so pages load quickly. For the name, use the display name you want to appear on posts. It could be a full name or a professional pen name. Just make sure it's consistent with how you want the author recognized. In the bio field, write a concise description in 1 to 3 sentences. Mention expertise, the type of content they write, or a short professional tagline. Keep it readable and friendly. In the website field, paste a full URL, including HTTPS, so the link works correctly. This can point to a personal site, a portfolio, or a social profile you want to highlight. Review everything for spelling and tone to ensure it aligns with your brand. When you're happy with the image and details, click Save. Squarespace will create the author profile and make it available for you to assign to posts. If you ever need to update the photo or tweak the bio, you can return to the same area and edit it later, and that's it. You've added a basic author in Squarespace, complete with image, name, bio, and website, and you're ready to use that profile across your content.